What's up, y'all? It's Driver Oz here. I decided to actually walk. Hell, might as well. I'm out here at Coal River in Lincoln County, West Virginia. I'm gonna walk down here to the river and show you all this stuff. We can play on the playground if y'all want. I ain't got no children with me though. Looks like somebody left a racetrack or something laying there. It's hard to damn tell what that is. Somebody forgot something. But yeah, we come down here and throw kayaks in and float, I don't know, about 6 or 7 miles, maybe 10 miles down in the summertime. A little cold to be doing that shit today. Used to come down here when I was a teenager, and used to be party time all the time down here. You ain't allowed to swim down here now because so many people's drowned. But yeah, it's a hiking trail. I don't have no stick. I don't have a hiking stick, damn it. But yeah, we've had many good times down here, man. There's people I've partied with down here that ain't with us no more. Lots of people, actually. But yeah, we'll walk down here and check it out. I ain't been down here since, shit, I don't think I've been down here in 2022. I think last time I came down here was when I did the float trip in 2021. I believe that was it. Yeah, we got different kind of Driver Eyes videos today. Damn, this river's up. Usually there's an island out there, and there's usually an island out there, a pretty tall island actually. This river's way up, unless it's just how it is now. Damn, how am I gonna get across this shit? Oh no, look. Oh, hold on. I seen this, I had to come and show you. Mama. What y'all think about that? I'm gonna get wet. I can see it already. I hope not. But just roll on, alright? Whoa, shit. I'm gonna fall in the water. I'm gonna be on video falling in the water. I think I can get on this log right here and go that way. Let's see. I don't want to get wet. Alright, that wasn't too damn bad. I don't know if I want to jump over there or not, because that shit looks like it's really soft. Ah, hell, you want to do it? Actually, it wasn't that bad. I didn't sink. Alright. Hey man, there's a good treated 4x4. Damn. Stuff. The flood down here, when this shit flooded, must have did all this. There's a lot of firewood there. Let it dry out for fucking 15 years. Ain't no footprints down here besides dogs and deer. Yeah, those are deer. There's been some deer down here hanging out. Yeah, this is wild, man. I hadn't been down here ever and not seen that island. There's usually an island out there. Used to not be able to walk this way that I'm going. Hey, there's a treated landscaping timber. Y'all need that? Piece of somebody's tackle box. A Bud Light. Some more treated. Man, I've hooked some gator gars in here. There's gars in here. Big uns. I hooked a 4-foot one in here before, and I couldn't get him out of the water though. I pulled the hook out of his mouth, but I got to see him. It's pretty cool, man. There's a deep hole right here. See, my friends and I used to come out here, and we would jump off that edge. I'm going to come out here this summer and show you. This water's way up, but you can jump off that edge right there on the right down into that little thing and like body surf down it. We used to do that when I was young, teenager, and full of alcoholic beverages. But last time I done that, this is kind of weird, but the last time I done that, I came off and hit my ass on a rock. When I dropped off, there's a little waterfall right there when the water's not up this high. But I hit my ass on a rock, and it hurt me, man. I hurt for 3 weeks after that. It was horrible. But yeah, I'm out here walking around beside water, and it's 30-some degrees. I'm a smart guy, you know. Aren't I? Hey, the country boy archaeology here. Hey, man. I think I found an arrowhead. Look. Oh, man. Oh, it's some river glass. I know people that collect river glass, actually. There's a lot of river trash right here. I'm not going back up the way I came. I'm going to go up this way, I think. Walk on around. I need some walking, y'all. I need to lose this 25 pounds. And I'm not doing it sitting at the house on the weekend. This mud right here, this black sandy mud right here, man, that's some slick shit. Y'all would see me bust my ass down in there. But I'm going to put it in hill climb mode and climb this hill. Snow on the ground over here. That's actually what that is. I'm not lying. It's been snowing today. Look at that. It doesn't look like snow, but it really is. What's this shit? What's this purple shit here? Let's go look. Oh, damn. There must be zombies down here. Why is there a do not enter sign? That doesn't make any sense. Y'all want to be rebels and go enter anyway? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna enter anyway. Oh shit. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Wow. This place up there rents kayaks and shit. Not too kayak friendly today, although, man, I'm gonna tell you what, I've kayaked off of that wall right there. I'm gonna walk on over here. Fuck it. What are they gonna do? Tell me to leave? I guess they can if they want. I ain't doing nothing. But that would be pretty fun kayaking there if the water was up like that during the summer. It's never though. What the hell is this? Ant nests? Let's see. I don't know if it is. They're underground. I lived in Florida. There was lots of those. I'd say the water's been all the way up here. Here, I'm gonna walk down here. Since we're already being illegal and everything, we might as well just make a day of it. There's actually a county sheriff that lives here. Somebody should come down here and clean the trash up. Might be a video for another day. Hey, but right here is where I was talking about. We jumped in and floated down just without rafts. I've done this in my kayak too. It's lots of fun. Watch me get down here and fall in. Then this video will never get posted, y'all, okay? If I fall in. Oh, fucking, oh God. Yeah, it stinks a little bit. There's a fucking deer right there. Nasty. But yeah, I've kayaked off of that. And floated down, kayak down this side. It's pretty rough, man. Wish I could get a little closer without falling in. There's a hole in that wall up there. You can't see it. Let me see. It's right there on the left. I've kayaked through that wall and down through here. And came all the way down through here. It's pretty damn fun. But this deer smell, man, is killing me, so I got to go. That damn dead deer down here. Ugh. Makes me want to yak, man. Hey, there's another treated pole. God, dog, man, that stuff stinks. That deer stinks, yo. Let's get out of here. I don't do good with blood and guts, yo. Damn, it's windy. They probably got me on camera. They're gonna get my license number and send me a ticket for trespassing. What's this sign say? Silver maple. Ah, so you're not allowed to plant those trees along the streets, it says. Because of their shallow roots. I know people with shallow roots. They'll just up and change direction on you in a fucking moment's notice. Phew, man. I'm out of shape, y'all. I done some walking now. Hell, we walked all down through there and came up this hill. And hell, it's only been almost 14 minutes. That's not too bad, other than I can't breathe. Nah, it's not that horrible. Everybody needs to get winded a little bit every day, man. If you don't, what are you doing? Playing the damn game? What's this tree? A box elder. The wood is weak, often considered a weed tree. A weed tree? Fuck, let's smoke some of it, dude. Okay. Let's go up here, huh? I think I need to use the bathroom and see if the bathroom's open. I bet they're not, but we'll go see anyway. And if they're not, that's going to be the end of this video because I'm going to have to go pee on a tree somewhere. I should have done it down there. There's a porta potty. Okay, well, that's going to be the end of the video too. because I'm going to use the porta potty because I got the tankle. See what this sign says. It's a dude hiking with a backpack, and I don't have a backpack. I don't have a stick. I don't have anything. I got this porta potty right here though, see? And then my truck's sitting over there. So this is Driver Oz, y'all. Later, I'm going to the potty.